In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Hostgator cPanel. If you've been encountering issues with accessing your cPanel or simply need a fresh start, I'll guide you through this straightforward process. Let's jump right in and get your cPanel back to basics in just a few minutes. To begin, you'll want to navigate to Hostgator's website. So open your preferred web browser and type in hostgator.com. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner and you'll see the sign in button. Click on that. This will direct you to a login page where you need to enter your account credentials. Don't forget to have those handy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostgator homepage. This is your main dashboard for all things related to your web hosting account. Now to proceed, click on the website option. It's crucial to note that this is where you can manage all the settings related to your website, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if necessary. Next, we want to delve into the settings, so find and click on Settings in the menu. Here's where things get a bit more advanced, but don't worry, I'll guide you through. In the Settings menu, search for the Advanced tab and go ahead and click it. This section allows you to access additional settings that are more technical in nature, and it's where we're going to find the option we need. Under the Advanced settings, find the Manage button. Clicking Manage will guide you to the crucial settings where you can adjust a variety of elements within your Hostgator account. Now, what we want to modify is the security settings, so locate and select Password and Security. Here is the central hub for managing your account security details, including resetting your password. Once you're in the Password and Security section, you'll see an option to change password. Clicking on this will trigger a prompt where you can enter a new password. Make sure to choose a password that's strong and unique to protect your account effectively. It's a good idea to use a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure it's secure. And there you have it, you've successfully reset your Hostgator cPanel password. Within a few minutes, you've not only enhanced the security of your account, but also ensured that your cPanel is accessible and ready for your next projects or management tasks. Make sure to note down your new password in a secure location. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and feel free to drop any questions in the comments below.